Hi, and welcome back to the Papa's Living a Flip-Flop Life. In today's episode, I'm going to do a quick review, a quick training on how to use Kevin's free magnet AI bot, okay? So I'm going to do an example on how I would use this bot and how you would use it and how easy it is to actually create something really easily. I'm going to do a full-on campaign here so you can see how this all works, the potential behind it. And let's say I'm promoting this offer, okay? Let's say I'm promoting free magnet bot AI. So I'm going to go to the page of the free bot, the page that I'm promoting, okay? I'm going to go to the page. This is what I'm promoting right now with my links, okay? So I'm going to build something behind this specific page. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come into the software, okay? Here we go. I'd like to build, I'd like you to build me an opt-in page made for solo ads, specifically for Udemy. I'd like you to build an opt-in page solo ads for Udemy. This is my sales page. I want to build a opt-in form for, okay? Let's see what it creates, and then I'll show you how I'm going to be delivering all. Okay, so basically Free Magnet Bot is a free AI, but it's built to build you landing pages, opt-in pages, bonuses, things to give away. Okay, so here we go with all the stuff, and then it tells me what it is and what would I like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, the free solo ad secret. Why solo ads fail? No, the free magnet method. I can't decide which one. The free traffic to cash roadmap. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. I choose number 5 and squeeze page style. Let's do clean white. Let me do the modern SAS, and then we go down. Actually, you know what? Not that. We'll do let's do that. Okay, so it's just working on it, reminding you that this is free as well. The AI that you're using, you don't paying any ChatGPTs or anything like that. And then it's like great choice. Choose a squeeze page headline. So traffic to cash blueprint for newbies to build a profitable. No, no free download the 3. No, I'm gonna do the free report number 1, and let's click on that. Okay, so here we go. Now it's creating me an HTML file that I'm going to be using. I'm going to show you a real quick way to actually get this online, okay, and collect leads from this method that I'm going to show you, okay? And you don't really need to use an autoresponder, an AWeber if you'd like. You don't have to. Through the method I'm going to be showing you today. So consider this as crazy training. Okay, so now we have the pages that are done. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to save the HTML page. So I'm going to call this index. Okay, there's a reason why I'm doing it. And I'm going to save it. Let me put it here and then create a new one. And I'm going to create free magnet training. Okay, so I'm going to name it index HTML, and then the second part, which is the download page, I'm gonna I'm gonna name it download HTML. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in the same file as the one that I created. Okay, so I'm done with that. Here's a promotional pack. That's fine. And let's get the report. Yes, create the report. Okay, so everything is built in. So the good thing about this software is the fact that all the prompts that you would think of building something that is into this niche is already set up for you. All you have to do is just tell it what you need to tell it, and it will do what it needs to be doing. Now, you can do this with ChatGPT, obviously, but ChatGPT doesn't have the built-in prompts that Kevin has built this or trained it so that it can provide the exact steps of what you need in terms of delivering reports, bonuses, training, or anything that AI can create for you right now. But the idea here is for you to collect leads, and these leads are going to be like traffic from like solo ads, for example, okay, or even traffic on social media, depending on what you're doing. Okay, so we have everything here. What would you like to? Okay, final deliverables. Yes, blog posts. It can give you blog post, a script, and a traffic plan. I want the report to be in a file form. I don't know if it can do this. I'm just thinking out loud right now, so I can download it. If not, I'm just going to copy it and put it in a Google Doc. It's very easy done, but it's already got it here. So it's got, you can simply code before and save it as report HTML on your computer, which is perfect. And I'm going to show you why. Okay, so right now we are collecting this information. Okay, so I've got this that I can actually download now, and then I can put it like report and HTML. And you see how all this is going to work together. So you can see how it actually works. Okay, so now I'm going to go into, we're going to go into Netlify. Okay, I'm going to log in. Now in Netlify, I'm going to go and deploy manually, and I'm going to drop the file that I downloaded from the free magnet training. Okay, so I'm going to upload the file, and I haven't done anything. I haven't done any changes. I just took everything that what it created, and I'm uploading it right now just to show you how simple this is. I'm going to quick setup. I'm going to name this free magnet report, and then I'll finish this later. Maybe I can put it on the thing, but here is my app. Okay, so it's going to go here, and then I'm going to go here. Now, I haven't set up my autoresponders yet, okay, for anything, but the idea is as soon as they sign up, okay, it's going to take you over to the report. Okay, so here's the report. So somebody downloads, they're going to get it. And also, what else? I can't remember the files. Hold on. The file names that I did was index and download. So we've got that, the report, and we also have a download page. As soon as they sign up, they've got everything here. And then we've got like a recommended resource where you can actually add the offer that we're promoting. Okay, so here's the offer that we're promoting. Okay, so the whole thing that we just did, I just set this up in under 5 minutes of me building something that I can use. Now, on here, there's also a form detection. So basically what happens here is that if I turn this on in Netlify, then this will also turn on that when people are writing their emails into the thing, they're going to be signed up into my forms, okay? That I've got my logs and everything on who's signing up, etc. Okay? And then I'll find it, and the names are going to be showing up here, and then I can, you know, do things with this, like send emails out, etc. Now, the way that I would do it basically is actually set up my autoresponder and then put it in the code, etc. So, for example, I can come back. Let's say I created a list for the specific magnet report. I'm going to come back to AWeber, for example. Sorry, my free report thing here. Okay, and I'm going to say, like, for example, I have my AWeber account. How can I set it up for my form in my download, in my sign up page? Okay, so this is going to actually tell me what I need to do. Okay, so it says go in, set up in your AWeber settings, get the role link. Okay, and then it gives you all the information on how to basically set it up. Okay, so all the data is going to be here, and then, for example, I can come in, okay, and add the index file that it created. All right, okay, so using this file you created, add my AWeber form for me. Okay, and then you can come into AWeber. Got to sign in. I'll come back. So I'm going to come into my AWeber. I'm going to go to my list. For example, if I have a solo ad list that I'm going to be sending traffic to that's specifically for this specific list. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and come into my list options or my pages and forms, sign up form. I'm going to create a new sign up form for on a landing page, for example. Okay, so I'm going to get all the information that I want to put here. Or sorry, not on a landing page, but on I'm going to be installing it. So I'm going to create a sign up form for my website. I'm sorry about that. Okay, and then we're going to get the details that I want. I'm just going to do like email, for example. Okay, I'll do email, make it bigger, fix it up, whatever, do what you need to do. And then I'm going to name it. So this is my free magnet. Okay, and then here I can send them over. So when they sign up, when they get in, we already know that once they sign up, it's going to go to download. It's going to go to this page right here. So I'm just going to make sure that it's got that page right there as well. Okay, and then save my form. And then I will install the form. So I'm going to take the form, either JavaScript or whichever one you want. And I'm going to copy it and come back into the free magnet tool here. And I'm going to say, here is my AWeber form. All right. So it's going to probably add it and redeliver the index file. So here's the updated index. Now, look, I've done this so many times on my own using other tools. This is working the same way, and I'm not paying any money for this at all. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And okay, so we're gonna go ahead and download this index HTML. Okay, I'm gonna replace the other one, replace it, and I'm gonna go back into Netlify. I'm gonna go to deploy. I'm gonna upload, and I'm just gonna do that. All right, I'm done. Okay, so now the site should work. Here's my sign up form. Okay, so it takes you over here and then access the. Now I need to also add the download that's broken right now. It's not going anywhere because it doesn't know that. So what I'm gonna do is, don't forget that we also have our delivery, which is our report. Here's the report. I'm gonna copy that link. Okay, come back into the group. Can you also update the thank you page, download page? Take that, go to the download page and say, make sure the links to the report are pointed to this link. Okay, and we fix that. So it's going to fix it. It's going to give me another file. I'm going to add it into the funnel, and I'm going to upload it again on Netlify. Now all the full funnel will be working perfectly well. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. Okay, your funnel is now connected. You can also add privacy terms and disclaimers if you're going to be putting it online, which is pretty good. But right now we're good. I have updated your download HTML. Okay, here we go. So this is my download HTML. Replace project. We go again to deploys. We're going to upload. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay, so we got it here. We go into our roadmap. We're going to put another email just to make sure it's working. Submit. Okay, and then access, and here's the roadmap, and we're done. So we have a working site that you can deliver. You can go into Udemy now. So for example, if you went to Udemy, deephopper.com, Udemy, it take you here. Once you're inside, you come in and find a buyer, a solo ad vendor that you can pick from and purchase links to send traffic to. Okay, so on here, for example, I'll go to buy solo. Go to dashboard. Sorry about that. Okay, and then in here, we can come in and say, like, for example, in the last 7 days, top sellers right here. We can see who's selling. What you want to do is come in and check the prices, but also the reviews from the last people that just purchased. Okay, my own tracking, good run, 70 signups. So you're looking for stuff like that. This guy could do really well. Okay, so you come here and buy like maybe 200 if you can afford, or you can do 100 clicks. Okay, you can do prime filter. That's up to you on how you want to control this. I don't have any specific thing. All right, and then your links. So your links are going to be to this page that we created. Okay, then you continue, you add, and you start feeding your autoresponder, or even on Netlify, you can actually set this up so you can collect leads on here. But I don't suggest you do that. I suggest you do get an autoresponder to actually do this the right way. But this is how this works. Okay. Now, other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video training on how to basically do all this. There's more that you can do. You can deliver bonuses. You can create bonuses. There's so many things that you can actually do. Okay. And what I wanted to show you is that I have some bonuses that go amazingly well, because I just showed you one part of the amazing bonuses that you will be getting in a 10x thing. What I just showed you is one little scrape of the market on what I'm able to do and what you're going to be able to do using Kevin's little bot. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to come here and I'm going to show you my exclusive bonuses that you might have missed, that I want you to pick up free magnet bot from my links, because you're going to be getting these types of training episodes on how to build your business through other stuff that I'm building. Now, my video yesterday that I have on this post right here, I show you how I'm able to build some really amazing sites using another platform that I haven't shared with you. It's not Netlify, and you can host things on there, and you can do things with just a click of a button or one simple prompt that you're going to be getting. So this is going to be powerful, because it's going to be allowing you to build many sites really quickly, promoting different offers online. I'm going to show you how you can build an irresistible opt-in page for solo ad traffic. What I just showed you is one part of the solution. There's more to this on how you can build it, but basically I just gave you bonus 2 right here, so you understand how powerful my bonuses are. There's not much that I can show you differently other than what I just did, but I have another video training showing you the full process step by step, so you can actually follow if you think I went too fast with this one. I'm going to show you a free list building strategy where no email autoresponder is required. Again, I did share a little bit of how it works, but I got another video that is explaining more on it. I'm going to show you the secret platform that I'm using, where I'm building sites, I'm building apps, I'm building many things on there. It's not taught. I haven't taught it to anybody. I haven't shared it with anybody yet, but it will be shared in this one right here. I'm going to show you how to create high-end bonuses that you can deliver. If you're selling, if you're promoting, if you're doing reviews, this is perfect. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can actually get part of one of my softwares that I'm testing out on helping you launch on Warrior Plus as a vendor. So if you're going to be able to create things using this software tool, then you can actually sell them on Warrior Plus as well and make more money instead of you being an affiliate. So other than that, basically, listen to this. You can build a list from solo ads, for example, taking them over to your first offer that you're going to be launching on Warrior Plus through my software. So I don't know how else I can explain this, but my bonuses are really high end. Nobody else is doing what I'm doing, and nobody's revealing the secrets that I'm revealing either. People are actually selling you or bonuses. Other affiliates, you can actually shop around, look around. That usually the bonuses that they're going to be sharing with you are the bonuses that Kevin is giving away and saying that it's them. What I'm doing is I'm actually creating bonuses around the product itself. Okay, even this training promo style video that I just did right now is full of value if you only see it as value. I'm not selling you free bot magnet. I gave you what you can do, but you can do a lot more, and you don't pay for AI. You don't need any API keys to do this. And I just showed you some really cool stuff. So might as well pick it up from my links for the time that I spent showing you these cool things. So you have a few days left before this goes up, because the price does go up every day. From my understanding, $1 a day from the beginning of the price. So by the time it ends, it's going to go to 47. Remember, this is an AI tool that's going to help you with everything in terms of funnel building, bonuses, anything that has to do with affiliate marketing. It's all built in, but you can do a lot more with it as well. Okay, so this is my review for it. Again, this is the second video I'm doing for Free Magnet Report Bot. I think it's powerful. It can help you. Like, you just saw me build a funnel from beginning to end so easily without me. I'm just showing you and doing, okay? So the idea here is for you to implement steps that I just showed you so you can see results, and then believe in the system that we have in place that is generating us on a daily basis commissions that are coming in on a daily basis, okay? I need to sign into my Warrior Plus account because I did a clear my cache browser thing, okay? But I want to show you every day it changes. Every day it gets better. The more users you get, more buyers you get in. It works in any type of affiliate business I've been into. I've been doing great, okay? And it's taken a while before I got to this position that I'm in right now, because I didn't list build. I didn't believe in list building. I thought, I'm not going to get into that. I don't want to send people messages or emails or build a list at all. But I was missing out on a lot of money that I could have made. Okay. So other than that, this is a Free Magnet Report. I just showed you some cool stuff. Pick it up from my links. Get access to my bonuses. These bonuses are in a Google Doc right under your access of Free Magnet Report inside your Warrior Plus account. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Peace out.